What's up, guys? Back for another video. Um, I'm gonna be taking you guys on a tool cart tour. I just got this cart a few days ago. Sorry about the chips. Um, but yeah, okay. I got my lock for this thing, the shed, and I got a screwdriver set, Phillips and flathead, and I got a Torx screwdriver. Don't know what size, but it's Torx screwdriver. I got a multi-tool. I got a soft sledgehammer. Grabbers, I call them. Yeah. Claw hammer. Yeah. We got pliers. Not the whole set, but random. We got these wire cutters, I believe they're called. I'm not sure. I got another set. These. And I got a crescent wrench, I believe. I forget what. Adjustable wrench. I got more of those up here. Small to large, large to small. And I got this one. I like it. It's comfortable. Got forget what these are called. Forget what they're called. Yeah. I got many sets. I got a set here. Quarter a set right here, quarter a set right here, and just one right here and one right here. So, and I got 2-cycle for my weed eater right there. And I got, I believe these are Snap-on. Don't know, but there is a part number if you want to look it up. And that's the only one I give you, part number. And this is a standard hex set. Here's a tire set. Not a set, but it's set to me. A padlock, yeah. I already said that. A 3/8 extensions bar. Very big. Pittsburgh. Got Milwaukee tape measure and don't know what brand that is, but it's tape measure. Got a Germal kit. Another Germal kit, not branded. I got Milwaukee scissors. A compression tester. This saw, hand saw, without the blade. Gotta get a blade. Sanding discs. I got custom wrenches. I mean, those wrenches. I got the extension, 3/8 extensions, Pittsburgh and brand, Craftsman, Snap-on, and an oil 3/8 oil filter thing. Germal stuff, attachments, more Germal attachments. O-rings, saw the blades, my keys to the shed, a crowbar, bicycle tubes, 18-inch. That's just parts right here. Yeah, this is a weed eater string for that thing. That thing's burned out, so I'm never gonna use it. It is, sorry about that. It is a torque wrench. Couldn't get them a name, but my dog. I don't know if you can hear that. Barking. That's my dog. This is another handsaw with the blade. Got Stanley bolt cutters, more sawzall discs, a edger blade, gasoline 2-cycle, and standard gas 2-cycle. I mean, starter fluid, 1/2 inch 1/2" breaker bar. How many breaker bar I have? I'm gonna get more. I got pliers. I forget what these are. Craftsman battery charger. I'm looking outside. That's why. I'm standing here. Here's a Craftsman toolbox. Into my toolboxes now. So this one is full of wrenches. This is full of Craftsman, unbranded stuff. Ollie, gear wrench. Here's gear wrench. Oh, that's not great gear wrench. I got stubby gear wrenches. Gear wrench, stubbies, metric. I got more standard ones, as you can see. Standard, all standard. Some metric. But yeah, that's my Craftsman toolbox. Okay, there. I gotta get a bigger toolbox. Okay, here's my go-to. Well, I take this on the go. I take this on the go. I messed up. It's just a toolbox with all sockets, metric and standard SAE. Got 3/8 extensions bar. I got a 3/8 bigger extensions bar, 3/8 ratchet, claw hammer, nails. Yeah, nothing right here. I'm missing a lot of stuff. One sec. Okay. Make sure you hit that, smash that, hit that subscribe button, and hit the like button. Yeah, for me. Helps a lot. I got socket set. I'm gonna get a toolbox roll cart and put all these sockets and look for some sets. So I got spark plug sockets. I got no impact sockets. No, just got hand ratchet. Got extension for 3/8. Got this big boy. It's a 1/2 inch. It is a 1 inch, 1/2 inch socket. Here's another extension bar, small one. And here's a 3/8 swivel ratchet. It's very good. I like it a lot. I got a Pittsburgh 1/4 inch ratchet. Very good. I'm not talking about this one because it's not mine. And I'm not talking about this one because it's not mine either. I gotta take them out. Here's another ratchet with a 3/8 and a 1/4 inch. And I got a 3/8 socket. You know what it is? A swivel. Yeah, these will suck. I don't use that. Never use this. I got a Craftsman. Yeah, Craftsman extension bar. A 1/4 inch Craftsman ratchet. A 1/4 extension bar. And I got short and small and medium size sockets right there. Put these back. Oh. It's on an egg crate, so it's gonna fall. Okay. Time for the top. This is all my 1/4 1/4 inch sockets. Here's another 1/4 1/4 inch extension. Here's another 1/4 inch extension. And here's a 3/8 drill attachment. Got a, yeah, you know what this is. It's a 3/8 to a 1/4 quarter inch. So that got socket. Yeah, I got mostly both. Actually, yeah, both. But yeah, that's not long, but the bottom is quite long. A lot of stuff back there. So okay, that's that. That's my socket set. Now I got my circular saw. I got a toolbox with almost nothing in it. Let's see, box socket. This Allen wrench checks. Keys, flashlight. Bike nozzle tubes. Taking the air out of the bike tubes. A ratchet / socket set. It's a cobalt, I believe. Yeah, cobalt, I believe. And I got a vice strip, and that's all. And that toolbox. Almost nothing in it because I took everything out. Got a bit toolbox, drill bit toolbox. There's a lot to talk about in there. I'm not gonna show you. I don't got time really. I'm trying to hurry up with this, but yeah, I'm trying to go fast as I can, and talking about everything. So, got a tackle box for fishing, Ryobi sander box, just box, yeah. Got my Ryobi sander, Dremels, den grinders, right there, then dry grinders, case, bag. That's my power tools. And I got my weed eater, a shield for that, and lawnmower, yeah, you've seen that, and the weed eater I have on all my videos. So it has 2-cycle, but we'll start. I gotta stop pressing on that, but yeah, you heard it start if you watch my videos. But yeah, like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments if you like this video. But yeah, and yeah, bye.